G'day, Rodney from Working Class Man in Brisbane. Today I'm going to walk you through a build we just finished for a local council's Jetta truck. So I've installed an Enerdrive power system into this vehicle, which consists of a 300 amp hour VTEC lithium battery, a 2600 watt e-power inverter, a 60 amp AC charger, 40 amp DC to DC charger, 30 amp MPPT controller, 400 watts of solar on the roof, and an ePro battery monitor to monitor it all. So I've also installed some Syncro shelving with the lift up doors, very space saving, so enough room to move around. And as mentioned before, the Enerdrive system sits in the bottom, out of the way. We also built them a custom bench top to hold the controller for their automated robot with a few extra screens for them, 240 outlets, USB outlet, ePro battery monitor display, so that displays the percentage of the battery, also the amperage coming in or out, the on and off switch for the inverter, and also a Sirocco fan to keep them cool while they're working. We also installed some Syncro drawers underneath the bench. They lock in, ball bearing slides, very durable, very sturdy. As you can see, easy to pull out, easy to close, and they stay closed when they're closed. So I've also installed a Syncro generator slide, which I've adapted for a CCTV cable reel. So that slides out like this, locks into place, also swivels so the guys can easily access it. Also done the same for their robot, which they send down the drains. Pull that out so they can pop it down nice and easy. Also, we've put a pump on there so they can wash it down afterwards, which slide back in fairly easily too, and lock in place.